thanks to our sponsors Markham and Marge, means that I can be right here, right now with Nick from the wonderful team at Clevertech to talk about, well, I'm intrigued by this. It looks like a little Lego set going on.
It is. It's Big Boy's Lego set, yes, that's what we like to call it. So.
Brilliant. Well, before we talk about this, Nick, let's start off by talking a little bit about Clevertech and what it is that you do.
Right, so we are at the exhibition, PPMA exhibition this week as Clevertech UK. We are a wholly owned subsidiary of Clevertech Italy, so our parent company is Italian, and we are a manufacturer of end-of-line packaging equipment across all the industries that are represented at the PPMA. So we're a company that was formed in 1987. The UK subsidiary slightly later than that. We were formed only in January 2021. So we are responsible for the UK market, sales and service here in the UK. And as I said, we're a manufacturer of end-of-line packaging equipment. So rather large equipment, primarily palletizing and depalletizing with some other solutions in the middle. But we certainly provide a very comprehensive, customized solution. I like to say that we are a solution sales company more so than a off-the-shelf machinery supplier.
Oh, super interesting. And I love actually, 35 years over in Italy, 1 year here.
Yes, well,
how's it going?
It's been really good, yeah, it's fantastic. We exhibited at the PPMA 2021, which was obviously very new for our company, and we were just at the back end of the pandemic, so that was challenging, but we had a good exhibition last year. It's very important for us, and what we're doing is raising the brand awareness. It's very important that, Clevertech, although we are a global supplier and known throughout the industries, some very large companies, in the UK, that we were not that well known, so the idea is, and my responsibility is to grow the business here in the UK and Ireland. And yeah, we're making small steps, but very positive steps in the right direction.
Wonderful. It must be great as well to have the Italian side of it behind you, and essentially a powerhouse, like you said, a global powerhouse. So who can help with those steps to make it a UK global house as well,
yeah.
Powerhouse?
Yes, exactly. It was one of the important things for me when we were looking to create Clevertech UK, that we had that stable background, a company that's very forward-thinking, innovation-led, technology and automation, all the good things that we all want to hear and that customers want. So, yeah, very important.
Wonderful. Well, enough about business. I want to talk about the adult Lego set that we've got going on here. I'm sure it's got to do with business, but talk me through this wonderful, wonderful creation we've got down here.
So what we're showing here, we're representing basically the scale of the systems that we do. As I said, we develop complete systems. This actually is a palletizer. It's our T-Rex palletizer. And it's shown as you can see on the infeed of the machine here, where we have the green man. The packs are being fed to the machine, where we form a layer. This can be using robotics or conventional technology. We'll create the pattern that you would see on the finished pallets, so that can be very specific for the size of the package, the weight of the package, whatever that may be. We use a robot in this instance to pick the completed layers and deposit on the pallet, or this particular example is showing a palletless solution, which is more and more common, reducing packaging material and everything that we all like to hear, and is very good. We can apply slip sheets automatically again at the base of the load, or interlayer boards between the different layers on the machine. Convey that through the system to an automated stretch wrapper machine that would provide the wrap for the stability of the pallet, and then the end of line where it would be taken to warehouse. That could be with AMRs, AGVs, whatever is required. So this is a typical solution for Clevertech.
Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. And I mean, I joked about it being adult Lego, but really, I mean, this is great to have here because it does show the scale of things. There's no way you could have that here at the NEC. So it's really great to be able to see it on a scaled down version.
Yes.
People loving it?
They are loving it. People ask us, they want to buy one. I wish they'd buy the machine and not the model. But they also, they understand, they see the scale of it. They realize, they obviously know, most people, the size of these systems. But they like to get an idea of how that would work, how it looks, how it would interact with other equipment. And then we obviously have the videos to back up, showing the sort of applications where this type of machine could be installed.
Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. And like you said, it all linking up. And if they need any more information, that is what you're here to talk to them about.
We certainly are, yes. More than happy to speak to anyone, give them some ideas and thoughts from Clevertech of how we would approach a particular end-of-line project.
Amazing. Now listen, Nick, we're here at PPMA. Day 2, it's been very busy for us, and I can tell from all the stands we've been speaking to, it has been buzzing. How's it going for you?
It's been great. Yeah, we've had a good show. As I said, it's our second show. It was very important that we were here this second year. As I said, we are building up brand awareness, building our identity in the UK. This is a perfect platform to do that. Meet other companies, see how other people are doing things, and meet some old friends as well, which is fantastic.
Nick, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much. Thank you.